Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Lily and today we are going to talk about daily morning routines.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Ethan. How are you today?
I am very good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you.
Today we will talk about morning routines.
Yes, I think morning routines are very important.
I agree. What time do you wake up every morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like waking up early. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is nice too.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I turn off my alarm.
Me too. My alarm is very loud.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I want to sleep more.
That sounds funny. After you wake up, what do you do?
After I wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Very good. I do the same thing. Then I drink a glass of water.
That is healthy.
Thank you. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I love coffee.
I like tea more than coffee.
Oh, really? What kind of tea do you like?
I like green tea.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
After drinking coffee, I usually take a shower.
How long is your shower?
About 10 minutes.
That is quick.
Yes, I do not like long showers in the morning.
I understand. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you? I eat cereal or toast.
Do you eat fruit?
Sometimes I eat bananas.
Bananas are very good for energy.
Yes, I like them very much.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Sometimes, but my mother also cooks breakfast.
That is nice.
Yes, her food is very tasty.
My father cooks sometimes too.
Really? What does he cook?
He cooks fried rice and eggs.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It is very delicious.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get dressed for work.
What do you usually wear?
I usually wear simple clothes.
Comfortable clothes are important.
Yes, I agree.
Then do you leave home?
Yes, I leave home at 7:30.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is crowded.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but I listen to music on the bus.
That is a good idea.
What about you? How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
Is there a lot of traffic?
Yes, every morning there is traffic.
Oh no.
But I listen to podcasts while driving.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I like learning new things.
Morning routines can help people feel ready for the day.
I agree completely.
Some people exercise in the morning too.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do simple stretching exercises.
That is healthy.
Thank you. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
Walking is very good exercise.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
I understand. Listeners, what time do you wake up every morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Yes, we would love to read your comments.
Ethan, do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I do.
Me too.
I check messages and the weather.
I check the news.
That is interesting.
Sometimes I also watch short videos.
Really?
Yes, but only for a few minutes.
That is good.
Morning time is important.
Yes, a good morning can create a good day.
That is true. Let's learn some English vocabulary now.
Great idea. The word wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Very good.
Another useful phrase is brush my teeth.
Example sentence, I brush my teeth every morning.
Excellent.
The word breakfast means the first meal of the day.
Example sentence, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
That is easy to understand.
Yes.
Let's talk about grammar a little bit.
Okay.
We usually use the present simple tense for routines.
For example, I drink coffee every morning.
Very good.
Another example is she goes to work by bus.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you.
The verb go changes to goes with he, she, and it.
That is an important grammar rule.
Yes, beginners should practice it often.
Let's give more examples.
Okay, he eats breakfast at 8 o'clock.
She studies English every morning.
Wonderful.
Lily, do you make your bed in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
I always make my bed.
Very organized.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music while getting ready?
Yes, I like soft music in the morning.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps me feel happy.
Morning routines are different for everyone.
Yes, some people wake up very early.
Some people wake up late.
That is true.
What is your favorite part of the morning?
My favorite part is breakfast time.
Why?
Because I feel relaxed and comfortable.
Nice answer. What about you? I like drinking coffee quietly.
That sounds relaxing too.
Yes, it gives me energy.
Energy is important in the morning.
Definitely.
Let's teach another useful expression.
Great.
You can say, I'm in a hurry.
Good expression. It means you do not have much time.
Example sentence, I'm in a hurry because I'm late.
Excellent.
Another expression is take a shower.
Example sentence. I take a shower before breakfast.
Very good.
Pronunciation is important too.
Yes.
The word breakfast is often pronounced like breakfast.
Not break fast.
Correct.
English pronunciation can be tricky sometimes.
But practice helps a lot.
I agree.
Listeners, if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and keep practicing your English every day.
Lily, do you think morning routines are important for students?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because good routines help students feel ready to learn.
That makes sense.
Students should sleep early and wake up early.
I agree completely.
Eating breakfast is important too.
Yes, breakfast gives energy for studying.
Exactly.
Let's talk about weekends. Is your morning routine different on weekends?
Yes, I wake up later on weekends.
Me too.
I usually sleep 1 more hour.
That sounds nice.
Weekend mornings feel more relaxed.
Definitely.
Sometimes I read a book in the morning.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple novels.
Reading is a good habit.
Yes, it also helps English learners.
That is true.
Reading helps vocabulary and grammar.
Very good point.
Do you read in the morning?
Sometimes I read the news online.
That is useful too.
Morning routines can help people feel calm.
Yes, a routine gives structure to the day.
Good word, structure.
Yes, structure means organization or order.
Example sentence. My morning routine gives structure to my day.
Excellent example.
Thank you. Ethan, what time do you go to bed at night? Usually around 11 o'clock.
That is not too late. What about you?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Very healthy. Sleep is important.
Yes, good sleep helps people feel fresh in the morning.
Exactly.
Let's learn another useful verb.
Okay.
The verb is prepare.
Prepare means to get ready.
Example sentence. I prepare my bag before work.
Another example is she prepares breakfast every morning.
Wonderful. Ethan, do you prepare your clothes at night? Sometimes I do.
That saves time in the morning.
Yes, it is very helpful.
Small habits can make mornings easier.
I agree.
What advice do you have for listeners?
I think listeners should create a simple morning routine.
Good advice.
Start with small habits.
Like drinking water and eating breakfast.
Exactly.
Also, practice English every morning.
Yes, even 10 minutes is helpful.
Listening practice is very important.
That is true.
You can listen to podcasts like this one.
Great idea.
And repeat simple English sentences.
Repetition helps memory.
Yes.
Listeners, what is your morning routine?
Please share your habits in the comments below.
We enjoy reading your comments very much.
Yes, we do.
Lily, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about many useful things.
Yes, morning routines are simple but important.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.